little bit nervous, yeah, but I feel it's a great opportunity for entrepreneurs who are starting up.
Probably learning to know a little bit different from their perspectives, learning to have their very deep critics and things like that. So from that perspective, yes, very excited and a little bit nervous as well.
Expect to win.
Good evening. I'm Vinay. I'm basically want to start a channel. Okay, that is a news channel.
You want to start a new TV news channel. How many TV news channels are there right now in India?
Right now there are 8 to 9 TV channels news.
Only 9?
Yes, news channel, yes, I am sure.
I don't think you know your subject at all.
Yes, I know that.
No, I'm sorry. There are much more than 9 channels in India on news.
That's not true. It's 9, I think so. That's 9 and I'm sure about that.
Have you worked in a channel or do you understand how to set up a channel?
Not exactly, because I have done my R&D.
One simple advice, go and work for a TV channel for 1 year and then come back.
I have done my R&D. And
No, nothing in life runs on R&D.
What is the uplinking cost of a news channel from here to the satellite uplink cost?
That I don't know.
Do you know the cost of a camera, a video camera like this?
Yes.
Vishal. What is the cost?
Vishal, let me, we are your best well-wishers. Please, trust me, join a a news channel that you don't like the most.
Okay.
Listen, join the company you hate the most.
Okay.
Work in that company. Understand everything you don't like about them.
Okay.
Then build a channel that you would not ever do in your life. You will remember us forever. And give us 1% in that company when you do it.
And don't report this as breaking news.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Oh boy, thank God. That was quick.
Good afternoon. Thank you for this opportunity. This business idea came to us when I was traveling to Andhra Pradesh as Textiles Committee representative of Government of India. I saw there that the weavers who were actually weaving very fine saris in Andhra Pradesh were not able to pass on their skill which they got from generation to their next generation because they were hardly able to get 2 square meals out of day for some of the finest saris that I have seen. They were getting about 70 to 100 rupees per sari. Then I go back to Delhi and see in air-conditioned showrooms that the same sari that was kind of, very difficult for them to sell was getting sold at about 10,000 rupees a piece. And we therefore thought that we would like to offer business directory services on various technology platforms to all small enterprises of India, say about 10 to 15 crores of them. For the first time, they would have an opportunity to announce and advertise their products in a business platform, which would be seen by everybody.
If you earn 70 rupees a day, how can you advertise?
That's what. So what model we have is that 70 rupees is per piece.
Your pitches.
My pitch is that we have a business platform where they pay 50 rupees and they get advertised in and included in our business directories.
50 rupees for the whole year, live?
50 rupees for the whole year.
Let's take the case you gave, right? My wife wants to buy. You gave her the name of the weaver.
Yes.
She called him up. He's in Andhra Pradesh. He doesn't speak Hindi or English. She speaks only in Hindi. Big problem. Second problem, she says, I want to do this. He doesn't understand what she wants. Third problem, she says, where do I send the money? He doesn't have a bank account. Fourth problem, he sends a sari. The sari starts bleeding color. Fifth problem, she wants to return it. How do you solve these problems?
Let's face it one by one.
No,
First
fundamentally, you have to understand that the platform is not going to give business to... Because she wants to buy a sari, she can return, she can test, she can trust. You have to connect people to intermediaries or to other B2B.
Sorry, what he's saying is that the thought is very noble.
Yes.
But I don't know how practical it is.
I feel whenever there was a question of removing middleman, this question was there. And I think whenever it happened, it actually worked. So I can understand this hesitation, but I know that when there is a genuine buyer and these people who are genuine suppliers who have a quality product, I think people who don't have quality anyway would not survive in this. By this business directory, and I think again if pitch comes in, we are building up credibility. Through pitch, I am creating a platform where I know that this idea is checked by so many people. I am doing something where
that's very fair.
Where there is a credibility, I have been given a platform, and let us help those small and medium enterprises.
Very fair. To reiterate what everyone says, while the pitch is very noble, we don't know how feasible it is, not as a business for you, but as a practical solution for them. So we don't know that. We can deliberate on that, and we can do this while we come up with some results and maybe shortlist you or not. We don't know yet, but thank you very much.
I really appreciate this, and I know that through pitch we would walk on this noble path of making it work. Thank you so much.
Wonderful, Nayan. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
The thought is not an.
Directory is not the solution yet.
It's not. That's what I said.
No, it's like what ITC did on.
Is it solving his problem? Feasibility problem?
He's going to make 500 crores maybe, but direct हो बेचारा viewer वैसे का वैसे ही रहेगा और
I'm
50 रुपए उससे ले लेंगे
उसको मिलेगा नहीं.
All the people were asking the right kind of questions, but there was a positive energy in the whole room. I think that is what I like the most.
I'm Saurabh Kandpal. So what we are doing is today internet has become a part of our life. But what has happened is the hackers, the thieves, the cyber attackers, and recently the Chinese spying into Indian databases, and then banks' users' account being forged. So what is happening is the technologies have advanced and the thieves have also become smarter. Now no current solutions exist in world today which gives people a kind of confidence that they should use internet without any trouble. So what we have done at our company is we have designed a whole new way of security to look at it, exactly different from what is happening today. So we have taken a hardware, software, analytics, we have merged them into a solution called Digital ID.
Is it some kind of a firewall, software, hardware?
It's a USB-based token which has a display given to each and every user.
So it's a hardware device.
That's one part. Then there is on the server part, sitting with the application server, there is an authentication server. Now there is a program running on the
So
PC.
it's like the modern version of the RSA ID.
Yeah.
RSA ID चला ही नहीं.
What we are doing is, today we are telling people that you can secure your PC or your digital lifestyle with our solution, even on a compromised PC.
Can you tell me how will you avoid phishing? What will you do for that?
Okay. The key is, if everything happens in a computer operating space, if you use the same software running on computer, your solution can never be 100% secure.
Okay, so then your pitch is over. Your pitch is over because on the computer and the biggest problem is phishing.
We will give people a money back guarantee or an identity insurance.
That's
if you use our security solution and your account is hacked, I will pay you the money. We are so much confident.
Don't be so kind.
How much money are you
Don't be so kind. The world doesn't deserve it. Don't be so kind.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, greetings from Kinderdance. My name is Keerthana Ramarapu. I'm an early childhood educational specialist. Basically, I'm the executive director as well as the managing director for this company when I started last year. So it's not an idea, it's a business that's running right away. It's launched in April of 2009. I'm the master franchise owner for Kinderdance International Inc. from Florida. Basically, Kinderdance is a developmental dance, fitness, a motor skill developmental program. Focuses children from 1.5 years to up to 12 years. And it basically gives a lot of movement, called the psychomotor skill, which directly gets into the child through a very fun, loving way.
It's a franchisee model. You're the franchisee.
Master franchise.
I'm the master franchisee for all this.
Exclusive?
Exclusive.
So why would you need money from us then?
I'm basically looking to scale Kinderdance India because I see there's a wonderful large-scale market.
Good thing going on. We
Yeah.
like you. We'll be happy to support you. I
Yeah,
think it's
exactly.
great.
I mean, we'll all advise.
I mean, your product is good. I think now it's
Yeah,
all
you've
about
done.
getting some
I
Bollywood
think you've
guys
got,
to
yeah. I
song
think
and
you got
dance.
4 advisors, informal or formal, right now signed up.
I think you probably shortlisted at least.
Thank
That's
you
all we
very
can
much.
say.
Thank you very much.
Nice. Beautiful, no? Entrepreneurial energy.
These
Sweet.
women, you know.
And you can make grace. And look at this, यार दिखता ही है. इसको पहला एडवाइस है कि इंडियन किड्स को डाल दो यहाँ पर.
I think these master franchisees can be very interesting
Yeah.
businesses.
And they'll make
if she has a tight contract.
I think the judges really made me feel very comfortable, and it's been really wonderful to be out there. It was a great exposure, and all the butterflies that were going through my stomach just flew away once I was there, and I really liked it. It was a nice time.
Good evening, everybody. Hello. I'm here to make my pitch specifically about sanitation. The idea is about sanitation. We're trying to solve the sanitation issue of the country. Upper class, middle class, lower class, everybody. Toilets starting from 20,000 rupees till 12 lakh rupees. Everything is automated. Pain, the problem, you know it very well. It's unhygienic, filthy. 3 out of the 10 people are prone to osmosis infections.
We were in the toilet together. We'll discuss.
Yes, the same issue. Now, we have transferred this entire issue into automation.
I'm feeling sick already, yeah.
Come on. Now, we have transferred this entire issue into automation. You know, there was a manual way of filtering water. Now, there's an automatic way of filtering water. So there has been ages manual way of cleaning toilets, and now we introduce an automatic way of cleaning toilets.
पैसा कैसे बनेगा यार?
Simple sales, after sales, AMCs, advertising on toilets, okay, and that you're getting infrastructure. Yes, advertising on toilets, obviously.
Just tell us one for the jury, just one key insight that will make the sanitation improve from today to 30% better.
Okay, it will improve 100% better. You go into the washroom and suddenly you find the pot is not there.
Okay.
How do you react?
No.
The pot is not there. It's
What if the
actually
key has
hidden.
something?
It's actually hidden inside a cabinet. You
Okay.
walk up over there, and the moment you walk up over there, it swivels across, comes out. You sit up over there. The moment you're done, you walk away. It goes back inside, and the cleaning is done inside a concealed chamber.
Were you inspired after watching Slumdog Millionaire?
Not exactly. I mean, to be very honest.
I like this guy because of that.
मुझे पता चला।
Oh, boss, you're an entrepreneur because you have the
Before
guts
we
to do
finish the
that.
question, you're doing. Arey, don't even need to ask me the question. I got the answer ready.
Yeah, चुटकी
See,
बजा
we're
है,
also
बड़ा-
looking for a leader. We're
Yeah.
also looking for an entrepreneur. It's not just the idea. I think
Yeah,
the
next
idea is
time
good.
we
We
don't
don't know
want
how
you to do
feasible it is, but I think
तूने बोमन ईरानी को चुटकी बजा दिया boss. You're in. Well done.
All the best.
You cleaned it up well.
चुटकी.
सवाल उसका जवाब रेडी था by the time सवाल was halfway through.
Confidence.
So it was like absolutely fantastic interacting with Bowman, lifetime experience. Alok, stunning questions, stunning interactions. Vishal, great guy. Specifically Manish, fantastic. Enjoyed every bit of it.
So ये था elevator pitch. We met some bright young entrepreneurs and some unlucky ones. Who will be the finalists? We don't know yet. Discussions are still on inside. But when do we find out? Next week on The Pitch. I got to go back in there and continue with those discussions. But remember to tune into The Pitch next week to meet India's brightest young entrepreneurs, India's greatest business icons, and of course, me. Bye-bye.
पिच के इस सीजन में आप मिलेंगे सबसे बड़े आइकन से, जैसे नैनालाल किडवाई, किशोर बियानी, राहुल बजाज, निरंजन हीरानंदानी, महेश भूपति.
In this
Get ready to crunch some numbers with Nanalalal Kidwai on the next episode of The Pitch.
Since this is the first episode, we want to have a relook at how good you actually are at making a business plan. We will judge on how you can pitch for credibility. How credible can you make your client in front of a potential bank or investor? In today's task, you will be meeting 3 people who actually wanted to stand where you are standing today. And these people will today be your clients.
3 or 4 minutes to discuss an entire revised marketing strategy.
Very short period of time.
The 2 individuals that are going to say goodbye to us today, all right?